Today is September 23rd, and we are over here hanging out with the little guys. This is Madison. She is a 12-year-old Portuguese water dog. She loves the water. And then there's Wally, and this is Chris. She's our morning supervisor, and she is over here hanging out with the small guys. Where's Tango? Tango, you want to go swimming?
Tango, come here, go swimming.
Tango, go swimming.
Go swimming. Here you go.
And then there's Tango going swimming. He loves to go swimming.
He already swam this morning.
See, there's Drake. He's very curious about the big dogs over there.
Sister's over there.
Roquefort, here comes Roquefort. Where's he going?
Come on.
Roquefort, what you doing?
Alfie. Come on, Alfie.
Let's go inside. They're hanging out inside. And there's Alfie. What are you guys doing? These three right here are usually pretty good buddies. Alf, what are you doing? Hi. Hi, honey. What are you doing? And then there's Wally.